Welcome to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we're looking at the Vitamix Ascent Series X2 blender. If you're in the market for a premium countertop blender that can handle everything from smoothies to soups, this might be a game changer. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Vitamix Ascent Series X2 is a professional-grade blender that promises to take your blending experience to a new level. Equipped with a 2.2 horsepower motor, this blender is built to power through even the toughest ingredients. The 48-ounce container is the perfect size for small to medium capacity blends, and it's BPA-free and dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. But that's just the start. The blender also boasts 3 automatic blending programs for smoothies, frozen desserts, and soups, ensuring consistent results every time. Plus, the self-cleaning feature means you can clean the blender in just 60 seconds with a little warm water and dish soap. So what makes the Vitamix Ascent Series X2 stand out in a crowded market? One of the biggest selling points is its premium blending capabilities. With its powerful motor and laser-cut stainless steel blades, it's designed to create perfectly smooth textures, no matter the ingredients. Whether you're blending fibrous vegetables, crushing ice, or grinding nuts, this blender promises professional-grade results. It also features a digital timer, which helps take the guesswork out of blending, so you can focus on creating your favorite recipes. And it pairs with Vitamix's self-detect containers, allowing you to build a customized system that adjusts settings automatically when you switch attachments. Now, let's talk about real-world usage. The setup was straightforward, and getting started with this blender was quick. The controls are intuitive, and the 3 blending programs really do take the stress out of choosing the right settings. I tried the smoothie program first, and it delivered a perfectly smooth blend with no chunks of frozen fruit in sight. Then I gave the frozen dessert program a go, and once again, it lived up to its promise. The motor is incredibly powerful. Nothing was too tough for it to handle. The self-cleaning program was another huge win. After making a batch of creamy soup, I simply added some warm water and a drop of dish soap, ran the self-cleaning cycle, and in under a minute, the blender was spotless. When it comes to performance, the Vitamix Ascent Series X2 really does excel. The 2.2 HP motor is no joke. This blender powers through ingredients effortlessly. The stainless steel blades cut through fibrous produce and frozen fruits without breaking a sweat. However, while it's great for tougher tasks, the blender can get a bit loud during heavy use. It's not excessively noisy, but if you're looking for something whisper quiet, this might not be the one for you. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons of the Vitamix Ascent Series X2. On the pro side, the motor is incredibly powerful, and the consistency of the blends is top-notch. The 3 automatic blending programs make it easy to get perfect results without fiddling with settings. The self-cleaning function is also a standout feature. It really saves time, especially when you're in a rush. Additionally, the build quality is impressive, and the 10-year warranty gives you peace of mind. On the flip side, there are a few things to consider. The noise level can be a bit much for some, and the 48-ounce container may be a bit small for larger batches. Also, the price point is on the higher end, so it might not be the best option for those on a tight budget. Speaking of price, let's talk value for money. The Vitamix Ascent Series X2 is definitely an investment. While it's more expensive than many blenders on the market, you're paying for professional-grade performance and durability. If you compare it to other high-end blenders like the Blendtec Designer 725 or the Ninja Foodi Power Blender, the Ascent X2 stands out in terms of motor power and blend consistency. However, there are alternatives that may offer a similar performance for a lower price, so if you're on a budget, you might want to consider those options. When it comes to build quality and longevity, Vitamix is a brand known for its reliability, and the Ascent Series X2 is no exception. The stainless steel blades and high-performance motor are built to last, and the 10-year warranty shows the company's confidence in their product. While long-term data is still limited since this is a relatively new model, Vitamix's reputation for durability in its earlier models speaks for itself. Customer support is another strong point. Vitamix is known for providing excellent customer service, and the Ascent Series X2 is no different. If you run into any issues, you can expect prompt and helpful responses from their team. It's always reassuring to know that you're backed by a company that values its customers. Finally, the Vitamix Ascent Series X2 blender offers a lot of impressive features. It's got the power, precision, and convenience that you need in a professional-grade blender. Sure, the price tag is steep, and it can be a little noisy during heavy use, but it's a blender that delivers on its promises. If you're someone who blends regularly and is looking for consistency, versatility, and durability, the Ascent X2 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or thoughts about the Vitamix Ascent X2, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. The link to get this blender is in the comments box. Goodbye for now, and remember, stay blended with Reviews Inside TV.